Hey friends, welcome to yet another video. Let's discuss about the math operations in Excel. Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. It is kind of a spreadsheet program and it consists of rows and columns. So in this video, if you come across the terms A3, A4, then please keep in mind A is column and 3 is row. Without much delay, let's get into the video.